Hey guys, I'm Dustin and welcome back to the channel. So if you haven't noticed, I haven't been uploading videos as much lately. Recently when I got back on vacation, there's just been so much going on, home and outside of home, that I really haven't had time to focus and give my 100% on all the videos. So I haven't been able to spend time on editing and uploading like I should. I do have the second part of the vacation vlog that we did to upload for you guys, and that's going to be after this, but I did want to kind of go over some of the things that we have planned on the channel. So the biggest thing with this channel that I'm kind of trying to wrap my head around is the purpose and the overall goal of the channel. I'm not really exactly sure what my niche is, and honestly it's not really that big of a deal for me because I really just create content for things that I enjoy on this channel. The main things really are like shoe reviews, gaming, technology, and cameras, of course. So as of late, one of my most popular videos was regarding the Canon EOS M50, and you guys have been asking a lot of questions, so I plan on doing a lot more videos with that. There's things that I really have to just write down and focus on and really work into answering the questions at the best of my ability. So that's something I've been working on within my head that I plan on getting more videos out for you guys with. Now, another thing regarding my cameras, like I said, I'm actually going to be selling my Canon 70D. I think that the Canon EOS M50 is really one of the best bangs for my buck right now, and I'm actually probably going to pick up either a 60 Mark II or pick up another Canon EOS M50 to swap out for the 70D. And if you have any questions regarding which is better, feel free to check out the video in the link in the description, and you'll get a better idea of why I'm changing from the 70D to the Canon EOS M50. Some of the other things I've been working on, there has been a couple companies that have reached out to me to do some reviews and collaborations, and honestly some of the things that they've been giving to me and reaching out to me for, I really enjoyed. So I feel like this is something that I get to for the first time share with you guys and just show you how much I enjoy these products. So yeah, I'll be doing some more videos of that soon as well. Another thing is like as of late, I've been picking up a couple of shoes for you guys to check out for you sneakerheads that have been watching the channel. I know that I haven't been creating as many videos with that lately, so I apologize, and I'm definitely getting more of those out. I've got about 6 pairs of shoes that I really enjoy that I think you guys will enjoy seeing the review on, and we'll do a couple of shoe reviews on those. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get back into the vlog of us at the beach. Thank you so much again, guys, for watching. Thank you for continually supporting the channel, asking questions in the comments, and giving so much positive motivation for me and the channel. Like I said, it's really not about, like, the biggest thing for me is I'm not here to make money on this channel. The biggest thing for me is just creating content and getting better as I create it. I feel like since I've first started on the YouTube platform that I've definitely progressed, and as I continually make videos, I will continually do my best to get better and hopefully create better content for you guys in the long run. Well guys, thank you again. Let's get back to it. Spent about an hour swinging at the pool. Now we're at the beach, hanging out with the kids. My hair's all froed out, but they're collecting shells, and the kids are playing in the sand right now too. It's pretty fun. Okay guys, nap time's done. Kids are up. We're heading back to the mall. Well, I guess we're heading to the mall because we haven't been there yet.
Heading back to the mall.
So we're heading to the mall. Let's get some better light, actually.
Hey guys, so we are on the way to the mall. Kids are up from nap, so let's go. Pew.
Look at my hair. You didn't tell me my hair was like this.
What? I thought you wanted your hair like that.
Like this?
Yeah.
Don't think. It's supposed to go this way. What happened?
I don't know. You slept on it.
Great. I guess I just wear my hat. Problem solved, baby. Let's go.
Dustin Bang, how do you feel tomorrow turning the big dirty 30?
It's like the same as today, I guess. I guess I couldn't really tell you how I feel tomorrow because tomorrow's not today.
Alright, so I'll ask you again tomorrow.
Yeah, because I'm not living in the future.
Okay, alright.
I mean, technically I'm living in the future, but like I mean,
alright,
I am the future. But I'm not.
What?
I'm not living in the future.
You
know what I'm saying?
It doesn't make sense.
And you asked me a question regarding the future, so I mean, if you want to get technical, it's not like I'm in a wormhole or anything where I can travel through time.
Alright, and you know, I'll just ask you this question again tomorrow,
Yeah.
okay?
I think you would have saved yourself a lot more time if you just did that. You would have saved a lot more time. Because now I'm just trying to correct it. Okay, we're outside the mall now. Matthew actually got super high fever right now, so we're heading back home, get some rest for him. Hopefully he doesn't get sick for the rest of the trip. Woo!
Yeah, he was already sick before he came to the beach.
He's burning up, he's super hot, so. He seemed to be getting better, but as the day progressed, he seemed to get really hot and tired, so I think we're gonna let him rest for a little bit. Hopefully we can get out and play some bowling with the kids later though. If not, it's totally fine.
The next day.
Hello, Mr. Dustin Bang. So today is the day. How do you feel being dirty 30?
I feel pretty fat, honestly. We just ate a lot of food for breakfast, so I'm pretty full. That's how I feel. Can you please get the camera out?
Well,
Ma'am, please get the camera out of my face.
let's all say happy birthday to Daddy. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Are you singing or is the camera
Happy
singing?
birthday,
She's
dear
dancing.
Daddy. Happy birthday
Yay.
to you. Yay!
Blow the candle
out. Sorry we didn't get a cake for you, but you know, we just want to say that we love you. And we hope that all your dreams and wishes come true.
Thank you.
Like unicorns will become real.
Like unicorns will become true.
One day, Jaden. Good morning, Good morning, everybody. Today is May 15th. It's my birthday today. Not really that much of a big day, but hey, we're gonna be going to the boardwalk. Hopefully, it's supposed to rain. I don't know what's gonna happen. We're gonna find out when we get there. So hopefully we can go and get some stuff done before it gets crazy rain. I do want to get some Italian ice though.
Talking about that since last night.
Yes, I do. Italian ice. I'm gonna get it. It's gonna be great. Slow pan complete. Alright, we're here at the boardwalk now. It's kind of like an overcast, but it's pretty nice out here.
It's really humid though.
It's not too hot though.
It's really humid, but it has a breeze.
The overcast is kind of perfect because there's no sun beating us down right now. I think it's pretty good. It's still kind of bright. Look how short you are. I still have to do this tilty thing. We actually did like a quick picture time.
A family picture? Oh my gosh.
It was so hard. With 4 kids, it's impossible to get a good picture. I'm just saying. Alright, we're gonna get back to it. Gonna get some Italian ice right now.